So, natanggap na pala ni Sir SCA yung ating package. And may channel siya, so you can check it out. So, sa mga gustong manalo ng giveaway, ano lang pinapamigay natin? Bulks and hits. Some hits. Pero pag member ka, papamigay tayo ng graded slabs. So, may parating tayong PSA. Once na dumating yun and may member tayo, pwede na tayo mamigay guys ng mga graded cards. So abangan nyo yun guys. So maganda naman yung Captain America. So we have a message from Marty from US. So take it away, Marty. We miss you so much here. So come back soon in the Philippines. Let's go.
Hey guys, this is Marty from US. I just want to say I miss you guys, and I got so emotional when I watched the reunion with fam and relative video. So I just want to say, I miss you guys. Like and subscribe to my Quick Kel's channel and my channel, which is Marty's Random Stuff. Hey guys, check out my project.
What's going on, Sharina? Because we said international art. Anyways guys, it's another day na naman. So, mayroon pala tayong bago dito guys. And, papakita ko na. Hey! We have a new band. Shout out to Marty. You wanna see it? So, this is the band. It's so big. Look at the interior. So nice. It's manual. And it has a dashboard. So cozy. And you can lay down here. So neat. It can sit around 20 people, I guess, if payat. Pero kung 3 in the front, here maybe 5 I think. Then here 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 passengers if you include these two. So it's so big. So it comes with free umbrella. And yeah, it's color white. Oh, Tahoe. It's calling Tahoe. Ayan. It's so... Look at that. So it's so nice guys. So nice. And now, punta muna tayo kila Jaisel and mag-o-open tayong Prismatic Evolution ETB. Because she want to open ETB. And let's ayan natin siya mag-open. So let's go guys. So guys, bumili pala tayo ng bagong promo card. And sa collection box to treasure box yata. Teka nga, may masyadong maingay pinapanood. So ito Pikachu, and alam ko tatlo sila nila tandem mouse dito. Anyways, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, and then mag-open tayo ng prismatic later. Gonna be fun guys, gonna be fun. Let's go. So open na ni Jaisel guys, nandito lang ako sa background. Let's go, open muna. Ito ay isang Prismatic Evolution Elite Trainer box. So last time we opened that, wala tayong ganong hits. Let's see kung may SIR siyang makukuha. Okay. So, ganito lang kasi mag-open guys. Ito lang open mo sa ilalim. Yan. Pasensya na sa mga background noise guys, wala tayo sa bahay. And wala din akong dalang mic. So, start up the light. Slide. Yan. Ang laman ng ETB ay ikaw kaya magsalita. Oh, sige. Ano yung mga laman yan? Na.
Dice.
Ayun o, dito mo ba ito? And the promo ED. Ito lang yung nag-iisang IR sa set. And sleeves. Energies. And of course, the 9 packs of it. So, siya lang nag-open guys.
Siguro nagsasalita.
And guys, oh, that's 3 packs, 3 packs. 3 packs muna. Let's go. Another day, another bag. Hit agad, hit agad. From 4 from the back. 4. And Uy, Master Ball! Flareon, nice first pack. Master Ball, great touch, and pwede tayo dyan. Alam niya wala akong sleeves guys. And Flareon EX. Oh, next pack, next pack. Lagyan mo ng thrill. I-gano'n mo 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lagyan mo sa harap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nakakuha tayo Master Ball Great Touch doon. Uy, SPL, sayang hindi pa nag. And Habanberry and Ogre-Pon. Wow! 2 out of 2. 2 out of 2 guys. Mamaya muna tignan nyo.
Alam bang ano dito?
Ayan. Next pack guys, next pack. So yung ETB natin ngayon, nagre-range na siya ng 7k, 6 to 7k. If sa scalpers kayo kukuha. 7 from the back. 1, 2, ay 7, 4, 3, last. Para hits agad. And uy, nice, Paldean Friends Pokeball. And Polo Energy. So 3 packs. She got ano. Wait lang.
Ano ba 3 packs lang sa akin?
Hindi, 3 packs, 3 packs. Papakita mo yan kasi nga nagano tayo. Another day, another box. So another, pakita mo yung 3 packs.
Another day. Hey! Ikat na.
Walang cut-cut dyan, oh. Ayan. 3 packs, another day, another box.
Uy! Cut mo to ah.
Ayun na, sige.
Hindi kasi.
Wala na tayong kakat.
Sigaw sila.
Wala na tayong magagawa dun. Makakat lang yung volume sa another day, another box. Pero sa regular video, hindi na. No guys. Litleo. And the Dunsparce. So, and oh, next guys, next. Wait lang, sorry, maingay.
May gagawin pa sila.
May gagawin sila. Ngayon lang guys, ngayon. Ito, game na.
Ano kaya kaya voice over?
Hindi naririnig pag-open ng ako. Kaya madalas guys, sa bahay lang ako nag-open. Alam mo na bakit eh. Kasi pag sa ibang hindi na. Uy, Glaceon and Energy. Uy, meron dito. Uy, Whimsicott.
Wala na.
Last pack. Last pack.
Huwag na natin lagyan ng trail. Walang hit ko.
Kapasya mo. Susuma. Glass Trumpet and Ichaludon. Walang hit.
Wala na.
Last 3 packs, so game. Pakita mo, tapos mabilis siya. So guys, pakita ko medyo ingay.
Pakita mo yung mga hit.
Score from the back. Uy, Sylveon! Kaso Pokeball lang. Pokeball Sylveon. Yung Whimsicott. 6 dito. Pag naninigan ng agad-agad, almost 6. Open mo na kasi mabilis lang yun.
Pwede naman ang katulad mo.
Kaya nga tinutulong dito. Tapos nag-reklamo. Black Bell, Espion again, and run. Last pack magic. Basahin mo na lang. 3 piece. Oh shit, may umbriyan na kasi. Oh no. So yun na guys, yun na yung ating 1 box of ETB. So ito yung pinaka main hit natin. So hindi may at least may Master Ball. Ngayon Sylveon. Okay na. Kahit masama, pero pwede na rin. So 1, 2, 3. Yung collection nila guys. May Sylveon. Ito yung binigay natin sa kanyang nakaraan. And meron siyang mga Pokemon. Ito yung na-pull niya. And then may graded cards din siya. Kaso 1 piece. May parating siyang graded cards eh. Si Maushold naman. Ngayon mahal na ni Maushold. Ayan. So ayan mga collection niya guys. Tapos meron pa sa baba. Ang paper ko lang. Para siya size. Kinolored mo lahat?
Kasi tignan mo to. Magpe-page sila.
Oo, magpe-page talaga yan kasi nga magano yung papel nga gloss masyado. Ganun talaga pag gano'n. Yun ang muna guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.